everybody, it's Lorie from Dee's, back with another quick and easy kit. Check out this adorable grapevine pumpkin. It has the lights in it, so this would be beautiful sitting anywhere to enhance your fall decor. And best of all, look, the remote that comes with the light, so you can turn it off and on, set the timer. You can change up how your lights are displayed. They can flicker, or you can keep a constant on. You've got 8 different functions. So to get started, these are our battery operated lights. This is the amber color. It has a little copper cord, and I'm going to show you real quickly. All we did was just go in, just find a little space. These pumpkins have a lot of space, and you can just feed your lights right through here and let them disperse in there. As you feed them, they'll tend to move farther in there. You can take a little stick, push it in there to shove them around a little more. So you just want to keep moving those in there. Once you get them in there, you can leave the little battery pack out. You can tuck it in if you want it, or just set it back behind your pumpkin. So for now, we're going to use the one that's already lit. Take this off of here. So we have our lights all put in there, and as you can see, I went back and took a little bit of excess cord and ran it up the little stem, and we'll just set our little pack back here. So you're going to have this beautiful little fall pick. It's got the pine cones, the berries, and the assorted leaves. Has a lot of texture. It's just a really pretty piece. You want to trim off the end of that stem. And of course, as always with these paper wrap stems, I always like to put a little glue on the end of that stem just to seal that off. So we're going to let that sit. And in your kit, you're going to have your ribbons. So we have this beautiful fall leaf ribbon, and we have this gorgeous plaid. So of course, we're going to leave a little tail up. We're going to create our bow. So pinch and gather, make your loop, twist, pinch, and gather. So I'm going to have my little tail come up. Then we're going to take this little leaf piece, and we're just going to lay that right on top just to give another little color. We love to mix our ribbons. And take your wire, and we're going to wire off our bow. Pull that nice and snug. Take your scissors, and remember, the most important part is trimming those ends. I always like to put little V cuts. So you just fold your ribbon in half, let those wire edges touch, and then just cut that little V right out. So now we have our beautiful bow made up. Fluff up your pick, bring it to life, and we're just going to lay our bow right in here. Pull that wire nice and tight. And then you're just going to come over and wire this right on to the top of your pumpkin. And you will have an amazing light up grapevine pumpkin sitter. So this will be beautiful sitting anywhere. Quick and easy. You can check out this kit and more at shopdeeslouisville.com.